Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the system safe. Unplug the garage opener or flip the breaker and confirm the motor is inert. Once done, remove the safety cover and expose the belt path. You need clear access. Mark belt orientation and pulley positions with a marker so reassembly preserves timing. Then secure the door in the up position using clamps or locking pliers on the track to prevent it from moving while you work. Loosen the tensioner or the motor mounting bolts to relieve tension, and pull the belt off the drive sprocket first. This prevents binding. Next, guide the belt around each pulley following the marked routing, making sure teeth engage cleanly if it's a toothed belt. Once the new belt is on every pulley and the marks line up, snug the motor or tensioner so the belt has firm, even tension, but avoid over-tightening, which increases wear. Now set belt tension to the manufacturer guideline. A small amount of give when pressed is correct, and the door should lift smoothly without the motor straining. Reinstall the cover, reconnect power, and operate the opener through a few cycles while watching alignment and listening for unusual noises. If you hear grinding, slipping, or see vibration, stop, reset tension, inspect pulley bearings and the drive sprocket for wear, and replace faulty parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.